Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So welcome back to another Christmas mini gift series. So today we're gonna make as well super simple for beginners recipe. We're gonna make a melt and pour Christmas soaps. Melt and pour soaps is super simple to do. What you need to get is only a base, which is already pre-made. Melt and pour, then just to add the colorants of your choice if you wish to add your favorite essential oils and pour them in the molds. And that's it, and you will be able to use your soap in 1 or 2 hours, you know. So it's super simple to do and it's a great fun to do with your kids, you know. And yeah, now when it's Christmas time, and it's gonna make a lovely Christmas presents. So what we need, I have in here a glycerin base, a soap base. It's made from glycerin, there is aloe vera, there is some oils. So yeah, it's glycerin soap base, as you see in here, okay? It doesn't really smell of anything, so get your own, check what you can get, you know, from your local supplier, you know. There is a sheer, you know, I know my friend likes a goat milk, you know, soap base, you know, and there is a lot of different soap bases, so just choose your favorite one, okay? I didn't really have a choice because this company where I'm ordering, they only have this base. I never tried it before because I don't really do as a melt and pour soaps, but we'll see how it's gonna go. So choose your melt and pour base soap, okay? Then I have in here these little Christmassy snowflakes, as you see. So I'm gonna use this silicone molds. So in here is gonna be 6 ones. I hope it will be enough. This is 250 grams. So I think it will be definitely enough for 5 or 6 snowflakes. And to this, I have in here Electric Blue Mica from Soapery, which is gonna give this nice light blue color because I want my snowflakes to be like light blue color, and mica powder. And I decided to use a peppermint essential oil. So I have 2 peppermint essential oil, one doTERRA, another one is from Nascence, and just gonna add a few of them. Only peppermint essential oil, so it's super simple, super easy to do. So what you need to do first, you need to take a heat-proof container, okay? So I have in here this big jug where I'm doing my other soaps, which is cold press soaps. So this big heat-proof container, and just to add your glycerin, not the glycerin, soap base, into it and melt it. Melt it in, if you have microwave, melt it in a microwave. I don't have microwave, as I mentioned before. So I just gonna melt it into my double boiler. So put it in the microwave or in double boiler and let it to melt it fully. Well, so this is melted now. What I want to do now, quick, I want to add some of the color, blue color, all right? Mixing very well. Maybe a little bit more. Just a pinch. Okay. What you think? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add essential oils into it in drops till I will get my smell which I'm looking for. Peppermint smells very nice. Nice. Gonna add some doTERRA as well, a little bit to it. Okay. Lovely, strong peppermint essential oil. And what you do now, just need to pour it As well, you have to have a little alcohol, okay, and just pour it into your stars, and you have to spray to get rid of all the bubbles. Okay, so I got 4 stars, 4 snowflakes. Okay, so a little alcohol with just spraying just to kind of get rid of a little bit of the bubbles, but that's fine. And that's it. We're gonna leave it to set for about 1-2 hours. It really depends of what kind of soap it is. And I'm gonna see you in a few hours. Bye. Well guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple hours and my snowflakes is here. I see maybe it's a bit too dark in color. It smells amazing, peppermint, but I think it's a bit too dark in color. I shouldn't put this small little pinch of the color before, the last thing I did. So let's just put them out of the molds. Oh wow, they look amazing. I'm just gonna show you in a second. Wow. Yeah, maybe it was a bit too dark, too much of the color, but that's fine. They still look very cool, very nice. Wow. Oh wow, look at this. Do you see? Look, the mica color, it shines so lovely. Wow. And the peppermint, oh wow, it's amazing. This is very nice. Oh wow. You see? It's like green through the sun, but it's not. How nice it is. Wow. So this is really looks nice and smells lovely. So what I will do, I'm just gonna leave them aside again, just out of the silicone mold. Just gonna leave them aside, kind of to do a bit of breathing. And yeah, how you can pack it, guys, again, take a little cling film, you know, pack it with a little cling film. At the bottom here you can just, you know, write what kind of soap it is, the ingredients and everything, and that's it. And it makes a lovely Christmas present, right? I really like it. Guys, as I said, all the formula you will find in the description box below. Play with the different colors, with the different soap molds, with your favorite essential oils, and melt and pour soaps is so simple and easy to do. And it brings a nice little present into your home. And yeah, I hope you're gonna try melt and pour soaps. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like this video, and I see you next week. Bye.